I have two notes for us in taking a last look at this lab. First of all, I've deleted my to-do item and this one. So the first note I will say is look down here at this print line statement. It's calling find heaviest dog, all dogs, and it's just printing out beautifully. It's working great. How is it working great? Well, find heaviest dog gives me back the heaviest dog, which is a dog object. And println is smart enough to say, hey, that's a dog object. I don't know how to print that out, so I'm going to call its toString method. And toString, if it were not defined by the dog class, would just print out the memory address of this dog, similar to if you try to print an array and it just prints you the memory address. So in this case, I have written a toString method, so println is secretly calling find heaviest dog, getting back a dog object, and then calling toString on the end of it as if we had done this. This is also completely legal to tack the toString onto the end of it, but it's just being called magically for you by Java. I just wanted to point out that Java is magically calling toString for you. So Java defines a toString method for every object, and it usually just doesn't print anything because it doesn't know how to print my dog's objects. But in this case, I have written toString method, so it will print out nicely. My second thing that I wanted to call out is VetClinic, of course, is using a dog a bunch of times. And how does it even know to find dog? I didn't import it up here in the imports. And again, Java is magical. It is looking in the same folder as VetClinic for the dog's Java file, and it finds it there, and so it knows that that's where the dog class lives. It's so magical that if I do the following, remove all my class files, here they are, just the Java files, and I build just the vetclinic.java, it builds, and I list again, look, it built my class for me magically because it went in here, noticed I was using a dog, tried to go find where the dog was, it's in the same folder, built it for me. Thank you, Java. That's it for notes. Onward to the project.